Force Motion is a sports science lab in a box. It's a completely different modality of training and something that you can't replicate with any other machine. We've proven through various laboratory testing that the muscle activation you get from three-dimensional resistance compared to existing methods produces much more muscle activation, giving you a more efficient workout. Anytime you move the machine, it directly opposes your motion. The hardware takes a lot of CAD, and the CAD is really where SolidWorks comes in. We needed surface modeling, we needed more advanced features, we needed Hole Wizard, we needed things like that. We were in COVID times. I found out about the 3D Experience version of SolidWorks at that point. And once I saw what was being built, I was like, okay, this is exactly what we need. We needed some type of cloud-based platform, and that it's running SolidWorks is the best of both worlds.
We got really good at being able to work together remotely through the platform. It's great to be able to open up design together, look through it, and kind of go through everything live. The capabilities of SolidWorks are pretty limitless for us in terms of the modeling, the drawing, of course, and then the management side of things.
Something that's available in SolidWorks that helps to alleviate the stress of my day would be being able to manage that lifecycle stuff right from the side panel. So I'm in a model and I can make a change, I can save it, I can get that little check mark that it's saved to the cloud, and I can let Paul know, like, hey, model's good, and then he's got every up-to-date change that I've made in the last 5-10 minutes on that model.
We needed rendering capabilities and FEA capabilities.
FEA simulation has definitely been a huge help for us, as you can imagine, and having professional athletes on this machine, it undergoes a lot of force.
There's probably 300 unique parts in this, and then each one is used multiple times. So with simpler CAD platforms, that just breaks them, and then it also gets really confusing with mates and constraints and things like that, which is kind of another reason why I liked SolidWorks, is it worked much better with larger assemblies than kind of what we were using beforehand.
It's just been that much easier with my collaboration with Paul, especially those drawings in the beginning, getting those done as fast as possible so that we can really start working with an external manufacturer.
When I think about where Proteus is going next, I, one, see a continued growth of machines across the country. I also see the ability for us to make some really cool design changes to it that we haven't been able to focus on just because small team. SolidWorks is going to help us in that journey and seeing how they play out on the product through the model.
We're always going to make improvements, even things down to like our packaging and how the user experience of unboxing it gets. All of those things we design in SolidWorks, it's going to have a huge effect on everything for us moving forward for getting a better customer experience.